Hello everyone, let's talk about the Japanese yen, because right now the Japanese yen drops like a rock and it depreciates versus all its rivals only because the Nikkei, the Japanese stock index, stays higher and it seems ready maybe to resume its growth. So we'll take a look on several pairs, trying maybe to identify maybe new opportunities. But first of all, please read the risk disclaimer, it is important. And also if you have maybe more questions, please email support, you have the email address here. And also please follow us on Instagram, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. And if you want maybe to follow my trades, if you want to, of course, to copy my trades, you can become a VIP member by accessing the link posted right below this video, and you can use also this coupon Olympia25 to get a 25% discount for the first month. Thank you, guys. Let's take a look first of all here on the Nikkei, on the Japanese stock index. As you already know, guys, I've told you that this breakout above 30,288.3 signaled maybe potential further growth. Here the breakout was validated, temporary decline, test, retest, rejections from this broken resistance area. Now the resistance area has turned into support. So as long as it stays above these levels, broken upside obstacles, 30,288, 30,205, could signal maybe further growth. And as you already know that maybe potential further growth registered by the Japanese stock index, by the Nikkei, the Japanese yen could depreciate versus its rivals. So personally I'm using this correlation in trading. So when the Nikkei increases, personally I'm looking for shorting the Japanese yen. And as you can see here, minor pitchfork, test, retest of the medium line, rejection, and here very important, making a valid breakout above the upper medium line, maybe also above the weekly R1, could signal potential growth towards this upper medium line of a major ascending pitchfork. So potential growth here in the Nikkei could signal that the Japanese yen may depreciate versus its rivals, guys. So that's why let's take a look here, British pound versus the Japanese yen. We'll take a look on several pairs. So right now the Japanese stock in the Japanese yen, sorry, has depreciated versus the British pound here after maybe making this potential double bottom. It has failed to reach the weekly S2 and right now is traded far above the weekly S1. So a new higher high, maybe it could maybe approach and reach maybe the weekly pivot point. Euro versus the Japanese yen. So I've told you that right now the Japanese yen is strongly bearish, an important rally here. And I've told you that a valid breakout registered by the Nikkei, but the Japanese stock index, a potential further growth could force the yen to depreciate even to register an important strong depreciation versus its rivals. Let's take a look also US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Yeah, breakout here through the first warning line of the descending pitchfork. Also the US dollar versus the Japanese yen increases only because the dollar index is still bullish as well despite a temporary decline. Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen, let's take a look, rally here as well after finding support here around the S1. False breakdown with great separation, and only because the Nikkei stays higher and only because the Japanese stock index could resume its growth, right now the Japanese yen drops versus its rivals. Let's take a look, Australian dollar versus the Japanese yen, rally as well here. Here the Australian dollar versus the Japanese yen has found support here on the S2. It has registered only a false breakdown with great separation here below 79.83, below the channel's downside line. So right now maybe an upside breakout from this channel could bring us new maybe buying opportunities. New Zealand dollar versus the Japanese yen, let's take a look. Also a temporary increase growth here as well after testing and retesting, registered only false breakdowns here below the medium line of the ascending pitchfork. So let's go back to the Japanese stock index. So very important, if the Nikkei will resume its growth after this temporary maybe decline, consolidation, temporary retreat, correction, a very breakout above the upper medium line and also above the R1 could signal potential further growth. And if this scenario will take shape, then the Japanese yen may depreciate versus its rivals. That's why I will look for new short opportunities in the Japanese yen. And also, if you want maybe to follow my trades, to copy my trades, I will send a few maybe my trades for the VIP members. So you can become a VIP member by accessing the link posted right below this video, and you can use this coupon Olympia25 to get a 25% discount. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, please visit our website. Please follow us on Instagram. Thank you, guys.